I know I keep saying I'm broke, but just hear me out. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know, I've been missing for a really long time. Close to 4 months since I did my last sneaker unboxing or review video. I did do a vlog, which I just uploaded a few days ago. But man, I needed to close 2021 strong. So the month of December is going to have a few pickups. And like I was saying, I'm broke. So I will tell you which pairs I had to flip of mine, my personal pairs, to cop what I'm talking about. And today we have the purple box Nike SB, like you can see right here. Now this is my first SB Dunk Low. I've had a Dunk High, which was a black sheep skate shop pair. I think that was like a Tiffany colored box. And you know, 2021 was going to be purple boxes, so that's what I have with me. And to be able to cop this pair, I had to flip my Team Green or the Spartan Green Dunk Lows. And I also flipped one of my Reebok Zig Kinetica, which was more like a running shoe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button right there. And if you're an existing subscriber, you see that bell icon, just smash that so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. And I know I'm going on and on, but maybe you can give this video a thumbs up as well. Nike SB all around. Whoops. Like you can see, Dunk Low Pro. Another interesting thing that I noticed was that this pair comes with a Nike Air Insole. So like you know, the Dunks don't have an air unit in them. It's not Nike Air Tech, but the SBs come with an insole which has the air unit in it. Let's flip the lid open. Whoop. Let's flip the lid open, and man, there you have it. I'm gonna get both the pairs out. Shout out to my guy Speedy for hooking me up with this pair. You would know that this is a homage or homage. Man, I always mess up on that word. But this is in honor, let me say that, of the Atmos Air Max 1 with the elephant print. It's ditto the same colorway, and they replicated it on this pair. Now this is not an Atmos collab. Yeah, it doesn't say on the box at least. First things first, how does it compare with a regular Dunk? Now I have my Coast Dunk right here. Now in terms of sizing, they both run the same, but you would notice that a regular Dunk would have a very thin tongue, right, like that. Whereas an SB Dunk would literally have like a pillow for a tongue, and that's something you can see right here. It's super thick. You have just a Nike branding on a regular Dunk. This one says Nike SB and it says Dunk Low Pro. You have that nice thick oval laces. They come with a replacement, an alternate set of laces, which is this gray oval laces as well. But I'm gonna stick to the classic look and keep it with these. A black nylon tongue, which has a mesh kind of feel to it. This toe box leather is so damn soft. It's getting crushed as I touch it. Let me get the stuffing out, right? Stuffing. How was Thanksgiving? Was it any good? So here you see it. The leather is so damn soft. You have that elephant print on this toe box area and on the heel, and this little bit over here, along with the Nike branding embroidered on in that same Tiffany blue or teal colorway. Same with the swoosh. So apparently the logic is that's like the elephant drinking water and spouting it out from its trunk. And that's the reason why the swoosh is blue. The elephant print area is just like you would find on a Black Cement 3, the Jordan 3. And these black areas are all nubuck. Now man, I'm not a fan of nubuck, I gotta say, because my Air Jordan 4s, I wear them a fair bit, right? And I just noticed that they've begun to crack. And the pair is like what, 2.5, 3 years old only? Man, so I'm just really worried about how this nubuck is gonna hold up, because man, if I got an SB Dunk, best believe I'm gonna beat it up. So there you have it. On the insole, you have that Nike SB branding and it says Zoom Air. You have the Nike SB branding here with that exposed EVA area, I guess, rubber outsole, and it's done in that Tiffany color. Look at that. It's already creased, but I don't mind it because I wear my pairs and creasing is natural as soon as you wear it the first time, especially if you're driving a manual transmission. But man, good soup. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. I'll see you guys on the next one, which is going to be really quick if I can get down to editing my videos on time. So I'll see you on that one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.